Listen to me introducing the next item. I'm or balance. Or listen with a centrally located sound. Go back to the centrally located sound if you wish to check out your channel balance. Or item. I'm in a middle. Using the next item. I'm in a middle position in relation to the microphones. So if you sit well away from the loudspeakers, you should find I'm midway between them. So if you sit well away from the loudspeakers, you should phones. So if you sit well away from the loudspeakers, you should find I'm midway between them. All right? Then let's hear the Ronald Binge Orchestra. After that, a vocal from Barry Kent demonstrating that tonal truthfulness is a bonus you get from good stereo. What a joy it is to hear every word of a song, every little bit of detail. If you're lucky, you may hear it all at a public performance. Or you may not. It depends on where you're sitting and on whether 1,000 other people cough or shift around in their seats. But a carefully engineered stereo recording can project all the detail you need, a claim that is borne out by the next item, a Welsh folk song graced by a light, flexible voice, that of Mari Griffith. Test your hi-fi with this one. Miss Griffith should be central on the soundstage and projected in a slightly forward fashion. In fact, she should be in the room with you. Sound experts and hi-fi enthusiasts are fond of the word ambience, a lovely word for a very important quality. It concerns the way in which the acoustics of the studio or hall are presented in the recording. The experts are also interested in balance, a close balance giving a stereo image you feel you can reach out and touch, or a distant effect that sounds more spacious and gives you greater ambience. Here are two contrasting examples. Spacious acoustics complement the Wimbledon Girl Singers. A closer, yet still lively effect distinguishes the George Chisholm track and makes the best of those lovely brassy sounds.